So, Mr. Berger, hi, good afternoon. How have you been finding this event?
Well, it's very inspiring to see the vision of TVS when it comes to mobility, not only today, but what the future will bring. So very inspiring, a lot of good ideas and impulses.
I think today is a very great day. We've just gotten into a partnership as of today. So, could you let us know a little bit more about that, and how do you, plan on impacting the world along with TVS?
Well, for me, good partnership or to be successful in a country, you need to have global competence and strong local partners.
Right.
Because we know cranes and drifting solutions, but to get close to the customers and the customer needs a partner.
Right.
We are honored that TVS and PALFINGER together can make us number one in India.
Definitely, and I think we're honored as well to get into partnership. So, when you've gone around here today at the Innovation Pavilion, I've seen the technology that we're launching for the coming years now. What do you think about the direction that the world of mobility is going into? Say, for the next 2 to 3 years, what changes do we see?
Well, for me, it's summarized in one word. In the end, it's uptime.
Right.
What customers need in mobility is that the things work.
Right,
Whether it's a car, a truck, a forklift, a crane, things have to work. And all the tools we are seeing, whether it's parts supply, whether it's myTVS,
Right.
whether it's preventive maintenance, it's to make sure uptime is maximized.
Right, I understand. So, sir, here's to many, many years of a successful partnership.
Looking forward to this. Thank you very much.
Thank you for flying down here from Munich.